Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install, set up, and configure your app, Coded Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install, then click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done with the installation, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app and click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the tutorial video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to configure and set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete your configuration. Head to the account which we've created online. You click on your profile, then click on Settings. Click on More and click on Developers. Then you generate a new API key. You give a short description. And there your API key has been generated. Copy the API key, head back to your account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request through a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video call with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.